Welcome to GFR's Chemistry channel. Okay, listen here. Today I am here with a new topic. That means from our organic. You know that organic nomenclature, generally that is very easy way. But here I am discussing with the Bicyclo and Spiro compounds. First of all, you should understand what is the meaning of Bicyclo compound. Actually, it is the cycloalkane, otherwise alkene or alkyne, means a cyclohydrocarbon with two ring. That is very important. With two ring, cycloalkane with two ring and minimum one atom should be joined three other atom. I will explain you what is that. Okay, listen here. Cycloalkane. Here two rings should be there. From there minimum one atom should be joined with the other three. What is that? Okay, listen here. Here when I draw this structure, this one. Look here, two rings are joined. From here, this one, it is a common, joined with the other three. 1, 2, 3. Here also, like that, joined with the other three. Okay, now, this one, this end and this end is taken as bridge carbon. It's taken as bridge carbon. Clear? Then, what is the nomenclature for this one? Clear, all of you? Listen very carefully. Here, first you can decide the bridge carbon. Bridge carbon means one point, from one point, three lines will be started, three bonds will be started. This is very simple one. But instead of that, if I drawn like this, here, this one may be like this. How can we select that? Which one is bridge? Simple. First you can check three bond passing line. Here this one bridge, 1, 2, 3. Look all other cases. Look this one also 1, 2, 3. Three lines were started. Therefore these two are the bridge carbons. First you can select the bridge carbons. Now I selected the bridge carbon. Now naming time. Numbering should be started from the bridge. From any of one bridge you are able to start. Now I am starting from here 1. Number 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? But one condition there. Numbering should be gone along with the biggest chain. Numbering should be gone along with the biggest chain. Now these two are same. Then you can go anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 carbon. Now how we write the name? If you get like this structure, starting Bicyclo, then make a square bracket. That is IUPAC rule, square bracket. After that, count to avoid the bridge carbon. To avoid this two bridge carbon, count this two side. Here 1, 2, here 1, 2. 2 carbon. This side 2 carbon, this side 2 carbon. But in this line, there is no carbon. Both bridge carbon we don't want to count now. Other carbon only you can count. This side 2, this side 2. Write biggest number, 2 and 2. 2, 2. Then next, 0. That means in this line, there is no carbon. Single bond only there. Then, but the writing time, if it is 0, that you should notice. That is a condition. Now here 2, 2, 0. Now what is the total number of carbon? 6. 6 means what? That is hex. Single bond only presented there. Therefore it is called as hexane. Symbol Bicyclo. 2 means here 1 and 1. 2 carbon. We are unable to count the bridge carbon. Here 2 and here 2. Biggest first. Now here both are 2. Therefore 2, 2, then here there is no. should be inside the square box should be 3 numbers. It may be 0, that also should be noticed. Now the name is Bicyclo 220 hexane. Listen here, next one. If you get like this, this is the structure. First check which one is a bridge carbon. Bridge carbon, 3 line passing. Here, if you taken this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this is not a bridge. This one is a bridge. This one also a bridge. Now, this side, 1, 2, 2 carbon. This side, this one will be like this actually. Like this. But here, 1 and here 1, 2. Back side, 1 and 2. 2 are there. How can we write the name? First, you can make the number. 1, all lines are same. Therefore, go anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbon are there. What is the name? Bicyclo. Inside the bracket, 2, 2, 2. Close the square bracket and Bicyclo 222. What is the total name? 8 carbon are there. Therefore, why oct? Only single bond. Therefore, why octane? Symbol. Select bridge carbon. Then after that, Bicyclo, that numbering. Bigger, smaller, smaller, gone like that. Next one. If I take this. Okay, look. If I take like this, here, which one is a bridge carbon? No doubt, 3 line passing here, 1. Second bridge here. Don't make confusion here. If you check this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are passed. We don't want to take. We need only 3 line passing. Bridge selected. Numbering started from any of the bridge. Look here, first number of carbon count. We want to count the number of carbon. Here 2, this side 2, here 1. This one only. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 4. Then numbering should be gone along with the biggest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, don't go here. Listen, here only 1, here 2. Then here this backside carbon 7, here 8. This one will be 9. Then naming time, Bicyclo in your box, which is the biggest number 4, comma, the next biggest number 2, comma, next number 1. Then total number. Otherwise, you can add these numbers. 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1, 7. 2 bridge carbon, 9. 9 means nonane. Bicyclo 421 nonane. Then next, some of the other arrangement also. Meaning, you may get like this. Here, one line pass through here. Here may be double bond O. Double bond O means CO. That means a ketone group, functional group are here. Then commonly, nomenclature writing time, first number 1 we want to select to whom? To our functional group carbon. But here not like that. You should select the bridge carbon. 3 line pass through here, 3 line pass through here. But sure, number 1 here only. The next count the carbon numbers. Here 2, 1, 2. Here in this side 1, 2. This side 1, 2, 3, 3. Numbering should be gone along with the biggest chain. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next here also 2, here also 2. Otherwise just a little bit more confusion like this. Here may be this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here 3 carbon are there. Now counting time 5. The next, don't go here. Next is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 9, 10. Now what is the name of this one? Little bit confusion. Just to clear it. First, bicyclo, bracket, number of carbon 3 and 3. 3, 3. Then here 2, square bracket over. Then next total number of carbon what? 10 are there. Then here 10 means deck. Deck, decane. Notice decane, no matter there. Then comma, after making comma, 9 on. Otherwise, deck 9 on. Both are same. 9 on. On means ketone group are there. Listen here. First I selected the bridge carbon. 3 lines passes carbon. 1, 2. Selected. After that, all 3 lines separately counted. There except bridge, total number of carbon, how much are there? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 noticed. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 noticed. Here 2 only. So, along with the biggest chain. Numbering should be gone along with the biggest chain. Don't consider the functional group there. Then one more. Like this. Double bond O, double bond O. Then which one is a bridge carbon? No doubt 3 line passes. 1, 2. 2 are there. Then here number 1. Any of the. Actually the functional group we want to select, but here not like that. Biggest one. Look here. Here 0. In this line there is no carbon. 0. 0. Here 2 carbon. 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. Then numbering biggest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here 7. Here 8. This is the number of carbons. 0. Then naming bicyclo. Then bracket biggest 4. 4, 2, 0 over. Then total number of carbon 8. Therefore octane. Then otherwise oct 7, 8 dione. 7, 8 dione. This is the bicyclo compounds. Clear all of you? First select the bridge carbon. 3 line passes. 2 carbons we want to select there. That one is selected. After that, separately you can count. Separately you can count the number of carbon except bridge. We want to avoid the bridge carbon. Now here 2, here 0. This line there is no carbon 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't want to count these 2. Total 4. Then start with the name bicyclo. That is compulsory. Then start a square bracket. Biggest, smallest, smallest. Then the parent name. Then if the functional group are there, we want to notice that. That is enough. This is bicyclo. Next one. Spiro compounds. Spiro compounds. Spiro compounds means 2 rings are joined with a single carbon. 2 rings are joined with a single carbon. Then how can we draw that? Just listen here. If I take this one. Look here. Here joining only 1 carbon. Then in this case 4 lines are passed. That one only you can select. Okay. Then count separately. What we have done before that, count separately. Here 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 4 carbon. This side 2 carbon. Okay. 2 numbers only we required there. Then now numbering time. In bicyclo we started from the bridge carbon. But here don't start from the bridge. Nearest smaller chain we want to select. Smaller one, this 2 only. 1, 2. Then third number. Coming time only reached this number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Then the naming time. Name will be Spiro. in bracket 2 numbers only there, you should write smaller number first. In bicyclo, we were written bigger number first. Now here smaller number first. That means here 2. 1, 2. Smaller. Then here 4. 2, 4. Spiro 2, 4. Bracket closer. Total number of carbon, how much? 7 are there. 7 means what? It's taken as heptane. Heptane. Then next maybe like this. Okay, a simple examples. Now here, totally, this one is the bridge. 4 lines passed, selected. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon here. Numbering should be start from here, otherwise here. Due to this is the smaller chain. Number gone along with the smaller chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14. 14 means, 14 number of carbon means, I will explain you. Just listen here. Okay, 11 means what? Dodec, undec, tridec, tetradeck. 14 means tetradeck. Here, first starting Spiro, bracket, big, smaller number first, 6, 7. Then tetradecane. Tetradecane. Clear all of you? The next. Okay, listen here, bridge. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 carbon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 carbon. This side 3 carbon. Here 4 carbon. Then here may be a double bond also. Then numbering gone along with the smaller chain. Also don't start from this. Here number 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gone like that. Then what is the name of this one? This is called as Spiro in bracket 3, 4. Total 8 carbon. Therefore, oct 5-ene. Oct 5-ene, otherwise 5-octene. Maybe this line may be here. This line may be here. Then go along with this one 4. After that 5 here. That is your choice. If you want to start from this end or this end, no problem. That one we were deciding depends upon the priority group. Here 5, here 6, here 7, here 8. Now also name are same. Spiro 3, 4, oct 5-ene. Okay, this is our Spiro compound. This is useful for your NEET and other entrance exams. Okay, try to read well. All of you, please subscribe. Okay, bye.